Okay guys, finally able to do a video. I was trying to rack my brain on what to do it about, and it occurred to me that I haven't done an EDC update in a while, and things have changed. New stuff. I was able to score something recently at a very, very good price, and a few gives from a very, very, very nice YouTube fan. First of all, huge big thank you to Flint Steel Survival. He got me this Max Edition zipper pouch in my power chair. It is extremely difficult to carry gear, simply because if I'm not wearing cargo pants, I hit a bump and things fall out. It's a pain in the butt. Okay, let me just say that right now. Okay, so in here, and this is my latest add-on. Many of you know, OLED had a good sale on their copper i3T EOS, and it was such a good price. I had to go for it. I had the money. I had to get rid of the money. If you don't know, I don't get a lot a month, but I can't really save money. So if I have money at the end of the month, I have to get rid of it. So I bought this. It was like $17 for me. Had to do it. So this is my new EDC flashlight. Another add-on from Flint Steel Survival. This is the Lansky World Legal Knife. Been carrying this off and on. This is usually what I take for when I go on walks around the neighborhood with Mom. She's been wanting to do that a lot. Again, that's in the power chair. So, but this is a great walk around the neighborhood knife. You know, big if I have to cut a branch or something. You know, so there's that. Fudge, I lost it. See guys, again, this is real time. Also, got a business card holder. If you haven't seen my Instagram, by the way, guys, my Instagram is unclecow ninja. If you want to look me up. So this is my business card holder. Got a few in there. I got a few on my desk. This is a logo from the lovely Michelle Just Plan. I have a email address and obviously Uncle Cow. My YouTube page. Just, you know, put my name out there, trying to make it into a brand. Got, again, coupon codes to Vistaprint. Only way I was able to afford that. Yeah, guys, beyond that, you know, I'm still working on the larger carrier system for the power chair. A one strap bag will not work on that thing, and neither will a backpack. I'm looking to take a large pocket organizer and put it on some sort of sling with this in the front pocket just for my wallet and, you know, some basics, and make that into a carry system. And maybe again, shout out guys, my handkerchief, Fly Hanks on Instagram, another big huge thanks to him. Carry this thing all the time. It's super handy, not for blowing my nose, just to wipe the screen from my power chair control panel and whatnot. You know, it's a bit classier to do that than use my sleeve. So I use that for that mostly. Yeah guys, that's the Uncle Cow EDC update. If anyone's interested, actually the big huge add-on, and if I can find it, because I wasn't thinking about this before, I found my dad's Leatherman. Again, huge shout out to Flint Still Survival. He sent me the pocket clip, so I haven't pocket carried this yet, but next time I have a chance I will. So this was my dad's. He had two multi-tools because he lost the first one, so that's when we bought him this one. My brother got the other one, so I got his Leatherman, and I wanted to pocket carry it, and I was thinking about taking the pocket clip off my Wingman and putting it on here, which I'm not sure whether that would have worked or not, but you know, Flint Still Survival sent me this, so big huge thank you for that too, bro. I've been carrying that. Yeah guys, so that's the Uncle Cow EDC update. Haven't done one of those in a while. Been putting it off because someone complained about it. It's amazing how other people can do them and, you know, not get whined at. But my situation's weird. I don't get a lot of money, but I'm not allowed to save it really, so you're darned if you do and you're darned if you don't. So yeah guys, that's the Uncle Cow EDC update and new carry method, at least for, you know, light days. Still kind of want to get a classier wallet. And like I said, some way of putting a large pocket organizer onto the power chair, like armrest, just to like wrap it around and then buckle it on. But if anyone does paracord work out there, let me know. I've got Instagram friends that know about this already, but kind of more feelers out there. But yeah, I'm thinking about doing that. Thank you all for watching. Sorry it's not a real exciting video. My video maker's block is acting up again. My sister-in-law is due anytime now, so we got that going on, and Thanksgiving is coming up slowly but surely, and this will be the first one without Dad. I am not looking forward to it, but whatever. You know, well, not whatever, but you know. So, you know, I'm a bit stressed out. I got, you know, the aid agency giving me a hard time. It's like, you guys have no idea who you're dealing with, do you? Really? So, people. Alright guys, that being said, if there's anything anyone wants to see, shoot me a message on Instagram, Uncle Cow Ninja. If it's YouTube legal, I will do it. Even leave it out in the comments, I'll do it. Okay? Give me some video ideas. Thank you all for watching. Stay tuned, stay safe, and don't do anything I wouldn't do.